Let's talk about the next generation of AI creation tools, built for creators who want quality, control, and cinematic results. Today, we're exploring some of the most powerful models inside the Higgsfield ecosystem. First, watch this video, which I made using this powerful all-in-one AI tool. If you've ever wondered how cinematic shots are planned and executed, especially using AI, then this video is for you. Starting with Nano Banana Pro. Nano Banana Pro is a next-gen image engine designed to deliver clean, production-ready visuals, whether you're working in 1K, 2K, or full 4K resolution. What makes Nano Banana Pro stand out is image clarity. You can generate images directly in high resolution or upscale lower resolution outputs into sharp, detailed 4K visuals, perfect for professional use. Text inside images finally works the way it should. Headlines, user interface labels, logos, and even packaging text remain sharp, readable, and stable. No more distorted or broken lettering. Nano Banana Pro also brings visual reasoning into the workflow. It understands numbers, equations, counts like 3 cups or 2 books, and even structured diagrams. Meaning, the AI actually understands your input before generating the image. Faces and character identity are stronger than ever. Characters remain consistent across different angles, outfits, and scenes, ideal for storytelling and brand visuals. And when working with data, Nano Banana Pro keeps everything logical. Whiteboards, charts, and infographics make sense visually, with numbers and structure aligned correctly. Next up, let's talk about audio-powered video creation with Kling 2.6 Audio. Kling 2.6 Audio is a new multimodal engine that generates complete scenes, visuals, voice, and ambience, all in a single pass. Native audio is built directly into the generation process. That means voice, background sound, and atmosphere are created together without needing extra plugins or post-editing. Motion quality is also improved. Scenes feel more stable, camera movement is smoother, and multiple subjects stay coherent throughout the shot. Kling 2.6 Audio understands prompts more precisely, from action and framing to emotional tone, giving you more predictable, cinematic results. And everything is delivered in full 1080p quality. Now let's move into something more bold and unrestricted, WAN 2.5. WAN 2.5 is a culture-native video model designed for creators who want freedom. It supports expressive prompts, internet language, stylized visuals, and even celebrity-based concepts. Audio and motion are generated together in one pass. Lip sync, voiceover, sound effects, and camera movement align right from the first render. You also get more flexibility. WAN 2.5 supports videos up to 10 seconds long and multiple aspect ratios, perfect for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube content. Output quality stays locked at full 1080p. Finally, let's bring everything together with Cinema Studio. Cinema Studio is the first end-to-end workflow that handles the entire film creation process in one place. It combines text to image and image to video into a single, unified flow. No jumping between tools, no broken pipelines. Cinema Studio is built around visual grammar. Framing, lighting, composition, and cinematic structure are respected by design. Real cinema cameras and lenses are used as creative anchors, helping maintain visual consistency and intentional style across shots. The result is a film-trained aesthetic, rich mood, natural texture, and a true cinematic tone. Whether you're creating images, videos, or full cinematic sequences, Higgsfield gives creators powerful tools without complexity.
What I really appreciate about Higgsfield is how fast it's evolving. Every update brings better quality, more features, and more creative control. This isn't a tool that stays the same, it keeps improving every time you use it. If you're still avoiding AI tools like this, you're honestly falling behind. This isn't something that might happen in the future. This is happening right now. Creators who adopt these tools early are going to have a huge advantage. Higgsfield Cinema Studio is easily one of the most powerful creative tools I've used in a long time. It delivers true cinematic quality, incredible flexibility, and impressive speed all in one platform. I'll leave the links below so you can explore Higgsfield Cinema Studio yourself and see what it's capable of. Once you start using it, you'll understand why so many creators are excited about it. And let's talk about storytelling. Great visuals are not just about looking good, they're about emotion and atmosphere. With cinematic framing and realistic motion, even simple ideas start to feel bigger, more impactful, and more memorable. What excites me most is how this fits into the future of content creation. We're moving toward a world where speed, creativity, and quality matter more than gear. The creators who adapt to this shift early are the ones who will stand out. So instead of asking, is AI replacing creativity? The better question is, how far can creativity go when the tools stop getting in the way? That's why tools like this aren't just upgrades, they're game changers. Now, let's talk about pricing, because this is where a lot of people expect things to get expensive. The good news is that Higgsfield offers flexible pricing plans designed for different types of creators. Whether you're just starting out and want to experiment, or you're a professional creator producing content regularly, there's a plan that fits your workflow. You're essentially paying for access to cinematic-level tools that would normally cost thousands in cameras, lenses, and production gear. When you look at it from that perspective, the value makes a lot of sense, especially for creators who want high-quality visuals without high production costs.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI and tech content on TriTech AB. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
It's time for revenge!
I'll kick your ass again!
We're not alone.
Been waiting on this drop like a storm in the sky. Now the new model's here and it's taking me high.